So in order to get the drop-down menu, I first need to have my team roster. It can be as many people as you want, as few people as you want. It can be on this sheet, or it can be on a completely different sheet with a roster of everyone. So let's look at it just on this sheet. So I'm going to come into this blank cell, and I'll show you how to create this drop-down. I can take, let's start here. So we're going to go over to the Data tab. We're going to go to Data Tools, and we're going to go click on Data Validation. On the settings, on Allow, we're going to drop this down to List. And for Source, we'll click this button, and we'll highlight everyone's names. You see it says G2 through G13. I'm going to press Enter, and then OK. Make sure this in-cell drop-down is selected, and ignore blanks are also selected. I'm going to hit OK. So now I have my drop-down. Everybody's name, from Josh Reddick all the way up to Alex Bregman. Now I'll delete this one. Shift cells up. I can select a range of cells, which I did in this case. Select a range of cells, go back to Data Validation, Settings, Allow List, Source, select everything, press Enter, press OK. Now that has been applied to each one of the cells that I had selected. So we'll delete those so they're not in here anymore. Shift cells up. Now, if I wanted to grab a drop down from a different sheet, all I'd have to do is Data Validation, List, Source. Now I'm going to click on my sheet that I'm wanting to grab, and I'll highlight this team roster. So you can see it goes to the 12U sheet, and then I'm looking at the G12 through G13 cells. If I press Enter, press OK, it brings me back to my 10U sheet, and my drop-down now references the 12U team roster.